Hey guys, welcome back to Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're about for a brand new benchmark. It's NASCAR Heat Ultimate Edition for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing out the YUZU emulator with my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. We're running everything on basically the default settings as usual on the channel, because the whole point is to make sure the game runs in the first place. And we're going to test out some gameplay here and see what we can achieve here today. Now, so we can uncap the game right off the bat. It can go up to 60 FPS, and it is playing right out of the gate. Now, this is the first time I'm launching the game, so I expect a little bit of, building shaders, but it does seem to be running well even with that said. And this is a fast-paced game. We can't get 60 FPS, the emulation won't allow it, but it's hovering over 40 for the most part. It's a racing game. Don't expect much, but hey, it's running. This is definitely playable. Oh, we've come into an area where there are a lot of people, a lot more CPU intensive stuff around here, and it did tank a bit, but the game is running fine. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this though. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. I love testing out games on emulators like the YUZU, Xenia, and RPCS3. It's pretty awesome to see how far emulation has come, and this is doing quite well. It's beautiful how well this is performing. This is going to be a short video because the game is running fine. I'm not seeing much issues with it. I would have liked it to hit 60, but it's not getting there. And I can't seem to catch that car. I'm in practice mode though, so that's to be fair, I suppose. It does have copyright music, so I'm trying to avoid going into the menus. But it runs fine. And I just wanted to show you guys that. Oh crap, this guy tried to ram me, and I didn't even slow it down. Just gonna mute myself now, so enjoy the gameplay until the video ends, and I'll see you guys next time. You can always leave a comment down below if you let me test out next on the channel. I basically do everything on the channel, even other than low-end emulation. I do low-end games as well, to show you guys how the game would run, or how we can get it to run on lower-end graphics, such as integrated graphics, anything like that. I'll see you guys next time.
Got a car high now. All clear. Looking inside now. Got a car high now. All clear. Got one down low now.